G'day. Today I want to talk to you about the question, should I renovate my house or should I sell and get something bigger? And I know a lot of our clients have had that thought and that question to us, and it is really, really tricky because you don't always know the answer straight away. But let's look at a few things that can help you come to a conclusion that's going to work for you. Number one, do your costs on selling your existing property and buying a new one. There's a lot of costs, whether it's moving costs, agent costs, rebuy costs, all that sort of stuff. And you might find if you are looking to just do a slight renovation or maybe just add a room, it's going to go a long ways or perhaps all the way to actually having that outcome of renovating your existing home just in the costs to pack up and move to your new home. That's number one. Number two is don't overcapitalize for where your house is in the suburb right now. Okay, so that means like if you have a 2 or 3 bedroom house and you go, I want to renovate, I'm going to make it a 10 bedroom mansion and there's nothing else like it around there, it's probably not a good idea to do that. Maybe pack up and go somewhere else that you want to do that. And secondly, to that point, is that you don't want to just be stuck in an area with a really big house that is overcapitalized and you can't get out of. Okay, so because what you've got to do is you've got to match the property to the area or the region that it's in. That's really important. Lastly, you got to look at your lifestyle. Does this house renovated still meet the lifestyle requirements that you're looking for in the next 5-10 years time? And I think that's really important because it's simply easy to say we're going to chuck a new bathroom in, we're going to do another bedroom, and away you go. But is there other problems? Is it the start of something a lot bigger and you're going to end up spending way more money than if you just sell, pack up and move house? That's it from me. It's 2 minutes tops.